2016 Victory cross country tour. This is what it sounds like with the stock exhaust. And these are what I'm getting ready to put on. Alright, got the mufflers off. I'll fire up real quick to see how she sounds. Sounds pretty badass. Alright, pipes are on. Have not cranked it up yet. They look good. There we go. Took it down the street and back, and I must say I am very pleased. These things are nice and smooth cruising, but when you crack on it, she talks. I like it. Alright, she is all back together. Everything lined up. Looks sharp. Bike's dirty, so I need to do something about that. But there she is. Very nice.